See question number 2. Define the following terms are other terms that need to be defined first. What are they and how might you define them? First one is parallel line. Two straight lines which have no point in common are said to be parallel to each other. Here are two lines L and M. There is no common point, means these lines never meet each other, never meet. Here is common point, but these lines are parallel, mean there is no common points. Next part is perpendicular lines. In a plane, two straight lines meet or intersect each other at 90 degrees said to be perpendicular. Here line P and Q meet at 90 degree, means these are perpendicular lines. Next one, line segment. A line with two end points is a line segment. Line segment is a part of a line. It has two end points. Next, radius of circle. The line segment with one end point at the center and the other at any point on the circle known as radius of a circle. Here is a circle and here is a fixed point. From here to the circle, this distance is known as radius of the circle. Next point, square. A quadrilateral having four equal sides and all four angles are equal and of right angle. These angles are 90 degree, then the figure is known as square. Here is a figure, all four sides are equal and all four angles of 90 degree. This is square. We have second part. Are there other terms that need to be defined first? So we have the given points, but we can feel some clarification should be needed. So there are so many terms that should be needed. Know first. These are point, line, plane, ray, angle, circle and quadrilateral. In Euclid geometry, point, line and plane are not defined terms. Only the way which we understand these by intuitive feelings or by physical things, models, etc. So we can define these points. First one is point. What is point? And what is Euclid defined about these points? See, point. It has no length and breadth. It is only a symbol. It is only a sharp dot. It represented by capital letter like A, here is dot A, capital letter B, here is dot, etc. This is the symbol or representation of a point. It has no width, no length. It is only a supposition. Next one, line. It has no width, it has only length. It made up of infinite points. It should be straight and can be extended infinitely on both the sides. Example, as of scale, a crease made by folding a paper, etc. This may this may be the example of a line or a straight line. Next point, plane. Example of plane, we can understand this definition by the examples. Wall, paper sheet are the examples of a plane. It consists of so many straight line in it. This is the example of plane. Next point, ray. Ray also should be defined. Ray means it is a part of a line with one end point and can be extended on other end infinitely. Ray is a part of a line, but line has no end point. Ray has one end point and we can extend it on other side, on other end infinitely. This can be represented in this way. Next one, angle. When two rays meet at a point, the inclination of these rays at a point is known as angle, and this point, the intersecting point or meeting point, is known as vertex. And by the figure we see AB and AC, these shows arms of the angle. Next one, circle. What is circle? It is set of all those points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point is known as circle. The fixed point is the center and a fixed distance is a radius of circle. See here, circle, the outer periphery of circle, this is center and this is the radius. You can draw any circle from a fixed point, to a fixed distance. The set of all these points, these are equal distance from a fixed point. So the collection of these points or set of these points is known as circle, and these all fixed distance are equal and known as radius of the circle. Next one, quadrilateral. A closed figure with four straight lines is a quadrilateral. We can see here, these are four straight lines, this, and the figure closed by these four lines is known as quadrilateral. So these all points should be known by anyone to understand the given definition, like parallel lines, perpendicular lines, line segment, radius of circle, square, etc. This is question number 2.